Creating a new project and a new scenario requires opening the Project Manager. In the left pane of the Project Manager, you can find your projects and their scenarios. With the right mouse click, you can open the menu and select New Project. In this window, you can assign a name and a description to your project. By clicking OK, your new project will now appear in the list of projects in the left pane. Right-click on your project and click Activate to make it active. Right-click on the project again and select New Scenario. In this window, you can assign a name and a description to your scenario. Click OK, and you will find your scenario listed below your active project. To start editing your scenario, you need to activate it first.